Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I think it's still pretty clear this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe, or maybe not, the wave 5 is over. Looking at all yen pairs, I still think there is a chance that this could eventually end up going back up and making a new high, but that is a pretty big turn down. So I would definitely primarily be looking for shorts on sort of time frames. If it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it will take out the low of wave 4. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's actually very clear this is a downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it should be a wave A. Oftentimes, the JPY pairs do make motive wave corrections, so we do need to be cautious. There is always a chance this could just keep on drifting up like that, but more likely, especially based on Elliot wave, it should go up next to make a wave B, and then probably down again to make a wave C. And if this really is the end of a wave 5, it may not even be an ABC. It could even turn into a 1, 2, 3 and actually go down and take out the lower wave 4. So either way, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to break this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape down that we have here. We definitely got a pretty impulsive move up. We potentially have the end of this wave A, or maybe even a wave 1. I think that most likely what's going to happen now is we're going to make a cut into this whole move down, which is probably going to end up looking something like this. Probably go to a Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down, which should be a wave B, but it could always end up being a wave 2. And eventually I would expect it to go down again to at least probably the 50, 61%, and potentially even a lot lower than that for a wave C or maybe even a wave 3. So either scenario, the trading strategy is exactly the same until we get into the final stages of either a wave C or a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, this move up is not really that impulsive as you go down. So if it does end up turning down with a bit impulsive engulfing move, I would definitely go short because we really haven't taken out any major structure yet to prove that we are going up. But according to the higher time frames, I think there is a good chance that it is going to continue up. It is going to end up breaking this structure, and it is probably going to be a wave A of a ABC of B, or a wave A of an ABC of 2, like I was explaining on the daily time frame. So taking it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a trend there. Even kind of looks like this is a 1 and this is 3 waves down for a 2. This right here could still be in a wave 3. And there's really no signs that the wave 3 is over. It could drift up more. So I would definitely still be looking for longs. If it does go down, this move down could just be a wave 4 and it could just go up for a wave 5. But if the move down is very impulsive and it takes out structure, I would possibly take that as a short. But otherwise, unless it does make that impulsive turn down, I would still be looking for longs even if it does turn down, because the next move down probably will be a wave 4 and it will probably go up for a wave 5, and this is most likely all going to be part of a wave A on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.